So what happened today with Open Door Technology, stock symbol OPEN? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? We're about to answer some questions right now. Let's go to the chart. First, let's start with the hourly chart. So yesterday, we went up, but it was more selling. It was a dumping day yesterday. It went from 277 all the way to that $5 resistance. And then the big dump came all the way back down. After hours, it recovered a little bit, but what happened today? Nothing but selling. Everybody pretty much was selling today. And after hours, we're still going down. So what should we do next? Should we sell or should we buy more? Is this the true dip? Is this the dip before it goes back up again, or is this stock done? I'm going to try to answer some of those questions right now. So first thing you want to look at is the support. Where is the support at for Open Door Technology? On the hourly chart, the first support we're looking at is around 215, 212 area. That's our first support that we're looking at for Open Door Technology. Tomorrow, could we test that tomorrow? If we get more selling, we could test that 212, 215 area. And I hope we don't. I hope we don't. But if the selling continues, it may go down at 212, 215 area. So far, it looked like it held at 250 area. That was the first support, 250. And it went down to the 250 just before close. It went down to 250. And after hours, it looked like it may go back down to 250 again. Right now, we're at 263 area. About 10 more cents, we're back down to that 250 area. If it goes below 212, 215, what are we looking at? Let's check it out right now. If we go below 212, 215, it's going to be a lot of support at $2. The $2. And what I said before, I said if the stock goes down to 180 to $2, I probably might buy some more. But the thing about this stock, it's a meme stock. Meme stocks need volume. It need buying pressure. If we can't get the buying pressure back for this stock, I don't know what's going to happen. It could go lower than $2, but that's what I'm looking at, the 180, the $2 area. And we see it selling at 261. They're still selling at 261, 262. We see it in the time and sales area over here. But yeah, we need a lot of volume for meme stocks. But once we get a lot of volume, it rockets up. It goes up a lot, $5, $10, even higher. But it's going to need volume to go higher. But as long as the volume is low, or if we get more selling volume than buying volume, this is what happens. This is what happens. I'm going to zoom in right here. This is what happens right here. When we get more selling volume than buying volume, we have a whole day of selling. After hours, it's still selling. So we need more buying pressure to come up. If we do get more buying pressure, the first resistance is going to be around the 315 area. After 315, we're looking at 350. That's the next resistance. But yeah, let's go to the daily chart. Pretty much a meme stock right now. When you have a chart like this is a meme stock. If we go down to this area right here, 190 to $2, it could be a buying opportunity, 190 to $2. Hopefully we don't go down that far, but if it does, that's where the support is going to be. So yeah, that's Open Door Technology, OPEN. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Not much to see on the 5-minute chart. Just nothing but selling, nothing but selling. So that's where we at on Open Door Technology. And as you can see here, the volume today, right around here, is way, way less than the volume before. Because yesterday, there was a lot of buying and a lot of selling yesterday. A lot of people were buying in, a lot of people were selling yesterday. That's why there was so much volume yesterday. And today, mostly just selling. So we have a low amount of volume for today. And that's where we're at right now. But like I said, once again, the support we're looking at for OPEN, first support is 250. If we can hold that 250, we can try to go back to $3. But if we can't hold that 250, then $2.15 next support. Then the support after that will be that $2. That $2 support. If we can hold that $2 support, not gonna look too good. Might not gonna look too good. It could go down further. So 250, two support, two crucial support areas for OPEN. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment what stock you want to see next.